Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you're on the Pldt network and can reach the router web page. Once connected, open a browser and enter 192, 168, 1, 1 or 192, 168, 0, 1. These are common. Log in with the admin username and password. Use the sticker on the router if you don't know them. Make sure to change an unknown default password later. Now that you're inside the router GUI, you're positioned to identify devices and apply the block. Once in the router interface, navigate to Status, Device List, or Wireless Clients to see connected devices. You'll need to match the phone by its name, current IP, or best of all the MAC address. Note it exactly. After you identify the device, click to view details and choose the option labeled Block, Deny, or Add to Blacklist. Wording varies by firmware. Confirm the action. The router updates rules immediately. Make sure you save or apply settings so the block persists across reboots. To finish, save and apply the firewall or MAC filter changes so the router enforces the restriction. Once done, verify the phone loses internet access by disconnecting and reconnecting its Wi-Fi. If it still connects, reboot the router to enforce new rules. If blocking fails, make sure MAC filtering is enabled. Remove any saved Wi-Fi profiles on the phone, and retry. If the phone uses a static IP or spoofed MAC, change the Wi-Fi password and reapply the blacklist to ensure the block holds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.